This is my friend's brand new 32 Ford. Not a 32 part on it. It's all brand spanking. Got a small block Chevrolet in it. Tri-power. Disc brakes, of course. Not Americans, they're Ansons. I didn't even know Anson made a 5-spoke, but they did, or do. And this is headed out last night and today. It's the first time the car's been out. It is a sweetheart. Just got the interior done, and he didn't tell me how much, but he said it was a bunch. Actually, there is one original part on the car that he said the front seat is an original 32 Ford. The body's a Brookfield and fenders and all that, of course. And that's my buddy's brand new 32 Ford 3-window coupe.